Hey guys, it's Priyanshi and you are watching Priyanshi Kaur's channel. हाँ कर ली experiment. So in this video I want to talk about some basic things which I would never ever thought of it. But if I suddenly wanted to just grab into it, just an anime world and a fictional world too, and it just goes through like that. And if I was just not right, I have to but so it would be better not to just like wait a minute. I can adjust this with this thing. So oh my god, so let's get to the point. Avoid the video quality because it's not that much good. Eventually at that moment I have not have any other camera to just do things like that. So in my opinion this is the right thing which you have come. Okay, so let's talk about Avishkar Away anime. Why I call this anime a masterpiece? Because I have watched this anime 3 to 4 times in a month. Like I'm so just get obsessed with this anime. It's just fabulous, captivating, amazing anime in which there is have a very plot twist story about self-love, and it's not about self-love, it's about obsession with some other. Like if you have an obsession with someone else, would be a fabulous anime if you watch it. The determination the girl shows to prove that she loves a boy. I might say this is wrong because you don't have to always change, but अगर तुमने प्यार नहीं किया तो क्या किया वाला सीन है इसमें. So it's just so much fabulous thing. So much. क्या कर रहा है यार? Okay, so my brother comment disturbed me. Okay, so sorry for the delay. Okay. Then we have Wandering with You anime, which is also a very good anime, and if you haven't watched this anime then you are forgetting the masterpiece. Just go and watch this anime, because in this anime you feel like everything is meant to be there. Every heartbreaks you feel, every choices you made, and every wrong to right turn, everything else is just doing their work, right? So if you haven't watched this anime then give it a shot. Because it's just like that. And I might say if I do like start vlogging, because I love vlogging, so I might start vlogging, but my camera space is just fucked up. It's just like it didn't work at that time. So I might say if the camera quality is like that, please I apologize to you if you are watching me through this camera quality. And just look at my skin if it is bright, and if you want the things I have mentioned the details, so the skincare I used. Okay, if you wanted to give me a comment and I just show you that. Okay, let's talk about something which is Your Name. So Your Name is a typical and a very twist plotted anime. It's not very simple to watch. Like yeah, it is simple to understand, but the plot twist it had, the camera, the switchness, and the science fiction all this anime has is amazing. And eventually it gives you a science fiction vibe and a good vibe which you can survive it through. Wait a minute, I'll give you a shot. Okay, now I'm back because some tailors, the customers have come in my shop, so I have to give attention to them, because if I didn't give attention to them they will came back. Okay, let's get to the point. Now we'll have, if I do start doing vlogs or something, because I love doing vlogs, because I just want to share. I just wanted to always wanna share my daily routine with you guys. But if you have wanted it, just please let me know. Because if you haven't let me know, how can I know it? So please let me know if you guys wanted a series of like that. And I have 2 more channels, which is Twilight DP and Priyanshi Kauri. So please wanna make sure to subscribe this, and also subscribe this thing, Priyanshi Kauri. Okay, so because I wanna grow, because we grow together, we can and we will, and we always wanted to, and we always would. Okay, so let's to the point. Now we have this book which I was reading right now. It is the famous five, which is five go-to mystery movie, which is a fabulous we can say book, and the story, the plot twist, and the English writing is so much easy to understand. And if you haven't watched, or I can say, if you haven't read this book, you are just missing out everything right now. To go purchase this is just 150 rupees. It's not very, and I haven't purchased this book. I just borrowed it from library, issued it from library. So because in my school there's a library, I think every school has a library. Okay, so I just brought this because I wanted to, and because if you read the books now, you just increase your vocabulary, first your attention communication skills, and you add up writing, journaling, you end up writing journaling, poetry, and all that stuff. If you read articles and books, some people read articles, some people read such watch the anime, some people watches anime in English so they can improve their communication skill and for entertainment also. So I might say the best entertainment you can do is for watching anime or any other movie in English. Like the language you want to learn, you can watch in this language, because the dubbing, people say that if there's a Japanese movie, like for example, if there's a word weathering with you, or we can say Avishkar Ravi anime, so people might say that I should dub this anime. Why rakhiye? So people say I just dub this anime in my language and I can watch. But in dubbing, the real crisp of that real version disappeared. So I might say, in my opinion, I prefer that you should watch in real language. You should start subtitles. So when you watch it, like this karke, so it must be very first fun in my opinion. Because I always do that. I just hate dubbed. Sometimes I love dubbed. Some English dubs are so much good. Like Customer Polite English dub is so good, and subtitles are also so good. So I have watched this 2 times. So first of all, I watched this in dubbing, subtitling, and then another one in dubbing. Okay, so that's about today's, guys. But I hope so I never end this video less than 10 minutes. So it's 7 minutes now, and I just wanted to just talk more about something, which is the girl's opinion on people's, like, some people always uses you, and you know, guys, I always tell you that some people will always use you as a pawn, like you have pawn, which is like, if you ever watch a chess playing, so the pawns which is like diagonal cut, bisect, and killed each other. So some people which always watched you wanted to be like a pawn, you to be something, and so they destroy you. But you have to use your mind and stay away from these people. And these people are so much smart, you know. They just talk sweetly about you and get attached to it, and when they know every your secrets, they just come back with the knife in their hands. So it would be better if you do not get attached so much easily. And people, I'm saying you that please